Yo, family, check it out. We finna get ready to do this new install together. And I know y'all wanna do it, so grab the start of the show right there. Grab it, huh? And I know what y'all gonna say. No, I ain't a Sigma, but I am a Q. LT, the Megalodon. And if you got nose problems, get your mind out the gutter, cause it ain't that stuff. And if you got sugar, you better swipe up or down, left or right. And get up out of here, cause it's that donut glaze. Oh man, look at that. And I got to get paid, so I'm gonna do the fade. Yes, sir. Check it out. And you know I always got something for the ladies. Yes, sir. Check it out, ladies. Hold up. This is where the magic happens at. I already know this gonna look good. God dang! Man, hey, you know what? Get rid of that right now. Shoot! That Negro done it again. Say, man, if I was some money in the bank, you couldn't draw me out. This look as natural as that girl that went down there to Dr. Miami. Say, man, I just want to let everybody know, man, it does take some skills to do these units. And I just want to thank HB Tatum and Letitia, the great Tatum, for making the man, the myth, the legend, your boy, LT, the Megalodon.